Hi everyone, so in this lecture we will discuss another example which is related to this kernel of T point. So that example is find kernel of T if the linear transformation T from R square to R raised to 3, that is a domain will contain two elements, that is ordered pair, and a codomain, that is this contain this three ordered pair, defined by T of xy is equal to this x plus y and y. Now only we have to find here kernel of T, and T is from R square to R raised to 3. Therefore consider given condition. Here we have a T from R square to R raised to 3. Also we have another condition. That condition is T of this xy is equal to this x comma x plus y comma this y. So we denote this as equation number 1. Now by definition we have already know that the definition of kernel of T, which we have already discussed in previous lecture. So that definition is kernel of T is equal to collection of all the domain elements, that is these are elements from domain. So V belongs to V such that whenever we apply T on V, that is a T of V is equal to how much? 0. Now in this question we will find this kernel of T. Okay, so that means whenever we take this kernel of T, that implies this V, that is this capital V is a domain. Now observe that here V is equal to how much? R square, because R square is now our domain and R square contains this type of element. Therefore in place of this we can write xy belongs to this R square, such that now we apply transformation on that element, that is a T of xy is equal to how much? 0. This is our given condition and this is possible with the help of our definition. Now this first element, take it as it is, that is xy belongs to this R square, such that with the help of equation 1, that is the T of xy is equal to how much? This triplet. Now put that triplet here, then we will get this x comma x plus y comma y is equal to 0. So this 0 can also be written as like this, that is xy belongs to this R raised to 2, such that this x comma x plus y comma y is equal to this 0 can also be written as like this, that is 0 0 0, and complete it's a curly bracket. Then we will get xy belongs to R square, such that after the comparing each and every element, x will get 0 and y will give us answer 0. That means x equal to 0 and y equal to how much? 0. That means whenever we put this 0, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this ordered pair, then we will get answer 0 comma 0, and this ordered pair is nothing but our R square, because R square is that element which contains ordered pair. So this is my kernel of T. So hence we have obtained the value of this kernel of T, which is equal to 0 0 and which is equivalent to our R square. So this is the value of our kernel of